Hello and welcome to the next video. Really happy to have you here. So, this video of Light Fitness Pro University, we already covered this area in the last video. All right? How to calculate your heart rate. Now, I'm going to show you some differences between heart rate and RPE. And what is RPE? How it can be used and why it's for. So, RPE means rate of perceived exertion, which can be used. Heart rate and RPE can be used both to measure your heart rate. 40% of your heart rate is for RPE, for rate of perceived exertion. 60% of your heart rate is 6 RPE. 70%, 7 RPE. 80% of your heart rate is 8 RPE. 90% of your heart rate is 9 RPE. 100% of the maximum heart rate is 10 on your RPE, rate of perceived exertion. It's that simple to understand. Just to understand that quicker. Instead saying, oh, I'm working off 50% of a maximum heart rate, you can say, oh, I'm on 5 RPE. It's quite quicker and it's more simplified. So these are the difference between heart rate and RPE. So I explain you the heart rate because you have to calculate your heart rate. All right, you have to calculate your heart rate from previous video. And our coaching app system, we use RPE. We don't use heart rate. We use RPE on the training program. For example, I will show you. As you can see over here, when we have cardiovascular training for warming up, we go sets time RPE, rate of perceived exertion, on 6. And as you can see here, 6, between 4 and 6 RPE is moderate active. So you are activating yourself to start an exercise before resistance training. So here we're going to be using RPE. If it's RPE 6, we're going to be working on 60% of your maximum heart rate. So if 6 RPE is 60% of your maximum heart rate, you will calculate then 220 minus your age equal 292. 192 divided into 100 is equal to 1.92. So 1.92, I will multiply that per 60% in that case. So 1.92 multiply per 60%. So when I be wearing my smart device, and my device should be around 115, between 110 and 120 beats per minute, that means that in my case, that will be 6 RPE, or 60% of a maximum heart rate. It's that simple and easy to use this. If you have any question later on about this, come back to me by the chat and we talk about it. And I explain you anything that you may don't understand. Thank you very much, and let's move to the next video lesson.